Hello students, today we will discuss about the Cannizzaro reaction. It is a very important reaction which is usually asked in competitive exams. Cannizzaro reaction. So what is basically Cannizzaro reaction? In the presence of a strong base, the aldehyde without alpha hydrogen, that is the aldehyde which does not have alpha hydrogen, undergoes self-oxidation reduction reaction, that is disproportionation reaction, and this reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. So in the presence of strong base, the aldehyde without alpha hydrogen undergo self oxidation reduction. This reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. So first we have to understand that what are the aldehyde which does not have alpha hydrogen. As HCHO, H, C double bond O, H. It does not have alpha hydrogen. Okay. Benzaldehyde, C double bond O, H. This is alpha carbon and this carbon does not have any hydrogen. Trialkyl acetaldehyde, C, R, C double bond O, H. This is aldehyde group and this is alpha carbon, and this carbon does not have any hydrogen. Or heterocyclic aldehydes like this. These are some common aldehydes which does not have alpha hydrogen, and these aldehyde can give Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. So what is the basically reaction? Like if we took benzaldehyde, that means two molecule of benzaldehyde in the presence of strong base, one molecule is reduced to CH2OH and other molecule undergo oxidize, so it will form COOH, like, but basically because the reaction is in basic medium, so here will be formed COO minus. So basically one molecule of benzaldehyde undergo reduction, and one molecule of benzaldehyde undergo oxidation reaction. So this is the Cannizzaro reaction. Now we will see the mechanism behind this reaction. What is the mechanism behind this reaction? So mechanism, it is basically a two-step reaction. Step 1. In step 1, this is one molecule of benzaldehyde. Now the OH minus here act as a nucleophile and attack at this carbon. So this bond will shift here, and this OH minus will attack at this carbon, and this is a reversible reaction. This reaction would be a reversible reaction, and it will form CO minus H OH. This will form this. Okay. Now step 2. Step 2. This is our that molecule which was formed H. Sorry, I'm making this OH this side and H this side. Okay. And new another molecule of benzaldehyde. This is our new molecule of benzaldehyde. Now what happened? This H leave as a hydride ion. This O minus charge will shift here, and this H as a H minus will leave from here as a hydride ion and attack as a nucleophile on this carbon. Okay. So what will be formed? And this reaction is a slow step. That is, this is the rate determining step of this reaction. This is RDS of this reaction. And what will we get? We will get CO minus OH. Sorry, O डबल बॉन्ड बन जाएगा यहाँ पे, डबल बॉन्ड plus we will get CO minus H and H. So basically this is the conjugate of alcohol and this is carboxylic acid. So here will be a proton exchange and we will get this H will transfer from this carboxylic acid to that conjugate and we will get COO minus from this and plus CH2OH. So this was the Cannizzaro reaction and this was the detailed mechanism of this reaction. Thank you.